currently working on this cord. It's receiving a paint enhancement where we're just bringing the clarity out. We're not removing a lot of scratches. Putting Swiss Vax on it, and then cleaning up some of the metal and doing a light interior cleaning, just to make it look a lot better than what it is now. I had already started on this vehicle. I just said I need to grab my things so I can see.
Pretty good though. Looks good.
Looks so much better.
Yeah. I mean, it looked like shit before.
Yeah, I mean, you only did a light correction, right?
We only did a gloss enhancement. Enhancement.
Well, it's gloss enhanced, so it's good.
I removed all of the marring.
Yeah.
But there was a lot of the marring out, but actually, once he really likes it, then we can go more into it.
It's like, I don't know, it was in the paint booth, you know, and like they just oversprayed white onto it. They're like, oops, oh well, clear it.
Like, my bad.
Yeah, exactly. Like,
I just love how, you know, people can get away with that kind of stuff.
Yep.
It just like truly amazes me. Alrighty, so I'm getting finished up with this 1930s cord. We did a paint enhancement, polished all the metal, cleaned it up, make it look a lot more presentable. Still not perfect, still has some scratches, and actually still has a lot of scratches, but just to make it look a lot more presentable for the time being. And if he wants to do something down the line, we were able to do that. I did wax it with Swiss Vax, you know, so maybe in 6 months if he wants to go more in depth or just do another light polish and wax, we can do that. So open for a lot of opportunities. We get it a lot more presentable, very full of marring and improper polishing, spruce up on the interior.